to all of this, right? It's gonna come in here like this, and we can do the driveway over there.
Yep.
You talking about putting something here right in the middle?
Well, I'm talking about putting the trees on this side, the trees on that side. Take this down, and you put the thing out like
Put it down over there.
So here, for example, here, you cannot go into it is in yeah, you put everything, you have to go in. That's going to be a little bit your size.
Ah,
oh, yeah, like this.
So this is going to be the same with the floor. So here it's a little bit tricky, but people want dark things.
Oh, I
it's a little
see.
bit really playful. And then we're going to have space for what you want. And then you have to pay with the fridge, and then you have to complete it.
Okay.
And then I said about the quote you have for that.
Oh,
the
sure,
desk.
sure.
But I want to copy your desk.
Yeah.
So we have to see what we can.
We got Christina out there. She's doing her pushing. I would help, but my Achilles, my doctor specifically told me that I could not push. So just like you move a car into a parking space, we got to move this tiny house into its parking space. Now, as you can see, we got the electricity going to the house. Hey guys, that's it. The tiny house is in place. The next steps will be for us to complete the deck, work on the interior, and get this thing ready for guests.
You want one block of
All right, Christina. Doing it. Okay, so look at this. Look at this zucchini. This is so big. Oh my goodness. So that is the tour of our tiny house. We hope that you guys have enjoyed it. And if you guys are interested in staying in our tiny house, we will leave a link in the description below, or you can go to ourisjourney.com/tiny house to access more information and to rent it. We hope to see you guys and host you guys one day in Portugal, like we've hosted so many other people in our other Airbnb. You see, one of the things since we've moved to Portugal is encourage so many people to come here and explore this beautiful country on their own. And so we're excited about this tiny house so that we can provide just another opportunity to share a bit of paradise with you. And so if you guys have liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.